Hi you guys. Okay, so here's like one that's partially finished. So I'm gonna have my cup of water and my watercolor brush, okay? So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna do the tree for you guys real quick. For the tree, I'm gonna take my light green, which I don't think that looks like green. Let me get a light green for y'all. Okay? I'm gonna go light green, okay? So I'm gonna come right here. All right? And then I'm just gonna kind of thing, and you don't want to color it solid, okay? And then I'm gonna come right here with my green, okay? I'm gonna kind of overlap it. Don't fill it up solid because it needs to have room to bleed into. And then I'm gonna take my dark green. I can add dark green if I want. Oh, it's the same color. I'm gonna take my turquoise. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my watercolor brush and I'm just going to go like this. Okay. Now, see how those lines are still kind of there? You could always keep like blending with it, or if you want, you could literally just take your marker, dip it in there, and then you can just kind of do that. If you want to help it blend. So let me go right here. Okay. And then let it dry, and it'll dry nice and neat, okay? There you go. So there's that. Now, for the tree, okay, give me a second, you guys. I gotta put marker caps on. Marker caps are on. Okay, for the tree trunk, all right? I'm gonna go over to this tree trunk. I'm gonna use peach and brown. Okay. Alrighty. And then again, take my watercolor brush. Now notice you can see the brown and it's not blending well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip my brown in there. Okay. And then, oh, come on, come on. I'm gonna take my watercolor brush and notice how much better it blends now. Okay? So peach and brown. And then for the snowmen, you can vary it out for this one. I personally like the blue and the dark blue, or you could do turquoise, your choice. And then you're gonna go like right here. Okay. I'm gonna mix in some light blue. All right, and then I'm gonna blend. Okay, now see how it doesn't blend very well? So again, I'm gonna come over here, dip my marker. Okay. And then if I don't want it all like that color, I can go right here. I can lighten it up. And then there you go. That's if I wanted to lighten it up. Okay, so that's that.